Okay, laundry room reveal happens now. Let me show you what we've done. This guy I found at Cracker Barrel and I fell in love with it and I had to have it. The light fixture was part of it and I know that's really, really bright, but hopefully you can see, there you go, there you can see the color. It also had this guy here as part of the collection. So let me just back up, I'll show you this wall. I had taken some unfinished cabinets. These were a little bigger than the ones that were in here. I finished the cabinets myself. I decided to go ahead and primer and paint the inside in case anything leaked or got messy, I could wipe it up. Of course, I went and I took the paint sample with me so I could find hopefully close, as far as I could, as close to matching on some towels. I put a smaller trash can in here. Actually, we had the trash can. I just took it from Ed, gave him the one that was a little bigger that sat right here, only because I wanted the laundry room to be really nice looking. We had a shelving unit, but that shelving unit went this way. And it was hard to get storage in between the furnace and into that shelving unit because it ran flush with that wall, but the furnace was in the way. So we found one, the right size. And I can go a little higher on storage. Big Ed put that stuff up there for me. I couldn't find my label maker, so I just took masking tape. I did buy some clear containers, so this is some of my craft stuff. Napkins, cups and plates, more cups and plates. I have seeds up there. On this shelf I have a basket and this has got sponges, Mr. Clean, some more sponges here, some of these. And then I use these items often here in my laundry room. This was part of that sign collection that I found at Cracker Barrel. And I just have my Norwex cleaning cloths in here. I found some little drawer things, so I was able to, this is like Alice in Wonderland birthday stuff that's in here, some napkins, some little odds and ends from parties, Swiffer cloths, the floor, and the dusting mitt things. Puppy pee pads, Nala, I just buy these and use them underneath her kennel so they don't scratch the floor. So I put my puppy pee pads in there. My new dusting mop, my new dusting thing I haven't used yet. Table covers, rags. I have a whole thing of rags. My soap making supplies, soap making stuff, soap making and paint craft stuff down there. Laundry bags, extra mop sponges. So you can see what's in every container. These are my craft paints back here. So total storage there, more storage there, more storage here. You can hang wet clothing up over there. I do have to step up to do that, however. I have my sink area, so if I need to clean something off. He hung me a paper towel holder. He did reinforce that. This cabinet did not have like a bottom to it, and I didn't like the look of it. So I purchased something, and then he reinforced between this and the actual cabinet so the paper towel holder won't tear or rip this or pull it down. Loved how this part turned out because I didn't like looking at the base underneath that cabinet. So I wanted to give it a finished look, so I primered and painted that. This is the finished product, guys. I have a sign to hang there, but it's not done yet. He primered it. Behind the door, you will just find my mop base, Ed's laundry basket for his work clothes, and that has my laundry soap in it. That one's just an empty one. That's just off the floor, so I don't have to bend over. I have another sign to hang back there. But this is it, guys. That is the new laundry room reveal. So we just tried to think about storage, but we wanted it, I wanted it cute, I wanted it pretty, but I didn't want it too girly. This paint, when you look at it, and some days it looks green, some days it looks blue. When it's in my bedroom, it looks blue, but in here it looks green because of the lighting. And this is what started the whole thing. I found that at Cracker Barrel, fell in love with it, and we had never repainted the laundry room. 3 years ago we moved in, so now it's done. It looks beautiful. I'm happy with it. Isn't that adorable? I'm going to jump off here, guys. I hope you love the remodel. I hope you like the idea for storage, and I'll talk soon. Bye.